Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of unique, high-profit indoor, outdoor furniture by repurposing forgotten architectural salvage for eco-chic decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Repurposing forgotten architectural salvage into unique, high-profit indoor and outdoor furniture is both an art and a strategic approach to modern craftsmanship, rooted in the ability to recognize beauty, strength, and value in materials that others have abandoned. Architectural remnants such as distressed corbels, ornate newel posts, salvaged balustrades, carved columns, and weathered beams were once integral parts of buildings designed to last for generations. These elements were crafted with care, often from old-growth wood or solid metal, shaped by skilled hands and installed with intention. When structures are renovated or demolished, these pieces are frequently discarded, yet they carry unmatched character, durability, and history. The process of transforming them into furniture begins with a shift in perspective, seeing not debris, but potential. Each salvaged piece already possesses architectural presence, making it an ideal foundation for furniture that feels substantial, authentic, and visually striking. By reimagining these remnants, artisans can create pieces that resonate deeply with modern consumers who value sustainability, craftsmanship, and originality. The first step in this transformation lies in understanding the structural and aesthetic strengths of architectural salvage. Corbels, once used to support shelves or arches, naturally lend themselves to furniture bases, brackets, or sculptural supports. Newel posts, often intricately carved and built to withstand years of use, can become table legs, pedestal bases, or anchoring elements for benches and consoles. Balustrades, with their rhythmic patterns and elegant profiles, can be reconfigured into headboards, outdoor seating frames, or distinctive side tables. Rather than forcing these elements into conventional furniture designs, successful artisans allow the original form to guide the new purpose. This respect for the material's history preserves its character while ensuring the final piece feels intentional rather than improvised. The result is furniture that looks curated, architectural, and timeless, seamlessly bridging the gap between past craftsmanship and contemporary design. Cleaning and stabilizing these salvaged elements is a crucial part of the process, not to erase their history, but to prepare them for a new life. Layers of dust, old paint, or surface corrosion are carefully removed to reveal the craftsmanship beneath. Gentle restoration techniques help maintain patina while ensuring the material is structurally sound. In many cases, the aged finish becomes a defining feature of the piece, adding depth and authenticity that cannot be replicated with new materials. This balance between preservation and refinement is key to creating furniture that feels luxurious rather than rustic in an unfinished way. When paired with modern finishes such as smooth tabletops, minimalist metal accents, or weather-resistant coatings, the salvaged components gain a refined edge that appeals to contemporary tastes. Designing high-profit furniture from architectural salvage also requires an understanding of function and durability, especially when creating pieces suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Many of these reclaimed elements were originally built to withstand environmental exposure, making them naturally robust. With proper sealing and finishing, they can perform beautifully in patios, gardens, or transitional indoor-outdoor spaces. A pair of salvaged columns can support a sturdy outdoor dining table, while old balustrades can form the backrest of a garden bench that feels both elegant and enduring. Indoors, these same elements can anchor coffee tables, console tables, or accent seating that becomes the focal point of a room. The versatility of architectural salvage allows artisans to create furniture that transcends traditional boundaries, appealing to homeowners who want cohesive design across their living spaces. The sustainability aspect of this approach significantly enhances its market appeal. Repurposing architectural salvage reduces waste, conserves resources, and minimizes the environmental impact associated with producing new materials. Modern consumers are increasingly conscious of how their purchasing choices affect the planet, and furniture made from reclaimed architectural elements aligns perfectly with these values. Each piece tells a story of preservation and renewal, transforming what could have ended up in a landfill into something functional and beautiful. This narrative not only differentiates the product in a crowded market, but also adds emotional value, making customers feel they are contributing to a more sustainable future through their purchase. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. From a business perspective, the profitability of furniture crafted from architectural salvage lies in the unique combination of low material costs and high perceived value. Salvaged elements are often sourced at minimal cost from demolition sites, salvage yards, or renovation projects. Yet when these materials are transformed through thoughtful design and skilled craftsmanship, the resulting furniture commands premium prices. Customers are willing to pay more for pieces that are one of a kind, historically rich, and environmentally responsible. This creates an opportunity for artisans to achieve healthy profit margins while maintaining ethical production practices. By positioning their work as bespoke or limited edition, makers can further elevate the value of each piece, appealing to collectors and design-conscious buyers. The historical character embedded in architectural salvage plays a powerful role in attracting discerning customers. Each corbel, newel post, or balustrade carries traces of the era in which it was made, reflecting the architectural styles and cultural values of its time. When incorporated into furniture, these elements bring a sense of depth and narrative that mass-produced items lack. Buyers are drawn to this authenticity, often seeking pieces that feel rooted in history yet adapted for modern living. Furniture made from architectural salvage becomes more than a functional object. It becomes a conversation piece, a tangible connection to the past reimagined for the present. This emotional resonance strengthens customer attachment and enhances brand loyalty, as buyers feel they are investing in something meaningful rather than disposable. Marketing plays a crucial role in turning this craft into a high-profit venture. Sharing the story behind each piece, where the salvage came from, how it was restored, and how it was transformed, creates transparency and trust. Visual storytelling through photos and videos allows customers to appreciate the craftsmanship and see the transformation firsthand. This openness aligns with modern expectations of transparency and authenticity, further strengthening the brand's appeal. By emphasizing sustainability, historical preservation, and handcrafted quality, artisans can position their furniture as a premium alternative to mass-produced options. Ultimately, repurposing forgotten architectural salvage into indoor and outdoor furniture is a powerful example of how creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship can intersect. It demonstrates that high-profit design does not require new resources or industrial-scale production, but rather a keen eye, respect for materials, and a commitment to craftsmanship. Through thoughtful transformation, distressed corbels, ornate newel posts, and salvaged balustrades become elegant, durable, and desirable pieces that celebrate both the past and the future. This approach not only generates income, but also contributes to a more sustainable and culturally rich design landscape, proving that the most valuable creations often come from what the world has left behind. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique, high-profit indoor, outdoor furniture by repurposing forgotten architectural salvage for eco-chic decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.